Secure your servers. RDP access without opening ports. Security is always top of mind when managing servers in the cloud. Traditionally, connecting to an EC2 instance via RDP required allowing inbound traffic on port 3389. This unfortunately exposes your instance to potential security risks. AWS Systems Manager Session Manager offers a game changer. With Session Manager, you can securely connect to your EC2 instances without the need to open any inbound ports or manage bastion hosts. This means enhanced security and peace of mind. Session Manager uses the AWS Systems Manager Agent or SSM agent already present in the latest Amazon Machine Images or AMIs. It establishes a secure connection through the AWS Management Console or the AWS CLI, giving you direct access to your instances. Before diving into using Session Manager, let's ensure you have all the necessary tools at your disposal. First, verify that you have the AWS CLI installed and configured on your local machine. The AWS CLI is your command line interface for interacting with AWS services. Next, make sure you have the Session Manager plugin for the AWS CLI installed. The plugin enables port forwarding functionality, crucial for establishing our RDP connection. Finally, confirm that the SSM agent is installed and running on your target EC2 instance. The SSM agent acts as a bridge, facilitating communication between your instance and AWS Systems Manager. Now, let's initiate a port forwarding session to our EC2 instance. Open your terminal or command prompt and execute the following AWS CLI command. Replace with the actual ID of your EC2 instance. This command instructs Session Manager to create a secure tunnel, forwarding traffic from your local port to port 3389 of your EC2 instance. With the port forwarding session active, you can now establish an RDP connection to your EC2 instance. Open your RDP client and enter as the computer name or IP address. The traffic will be routed through the secure tunnel created by Session Manager. Provide your EC2 instance's username and password, just as you would for a typical RDP connection. You'll gain access to your instance's desktop environment ready for you to work. Once you've finished your work, it's essential to terminate the port forwarding session for security best practices. Simply close the terminal window or tab where you executed the AWS CLI command. This action closes the secure tunnel and ends the port forwarding. If you encounter connection issues, double-check that the SSM agent is running on your EC2 instance. Verify that your security group and network access control list rules allow outbound traffic on port 443 to AWS Systems Manager endpoints. Remember, security and simplicity can go hand in hand with Session Manager for secure RDP connections to your EC2 instances.